So you don't have a ticket?
I have a ticket, but it's for a later time.
Okay.
And I wanted to get onto it earlier when I'm trying to change it, because won't let me change it.
Yeah. So you tried to get on a plane? She's not.
Jimbo's Fisher's kid's like the last one to get on.
Yeah.
Thank you for your cooperation.
I know these officers are super officers and been super nice to you. All right.
I would like to leave, and you're not letting me leave. That seems very illegal to me. And you're cops. You shouldn't be doing this. You cannot hold a person against their will. You can't tell them they can't do. It's like you're just trying to trap me or something. What are you trying to do?
No. You got it?
On January 4th, 2025, Tallahassee Airport Police responded to a passenger attempting to board a flight without proper authorization. This case demonstrates the intersection of airport security law and Fourth Amendment protections. The initial encounter was consensual, but transitioned to a Terry stop when officers stated you're not allowed to leave.
701. 276.
How you doing? Okay? What's going on?
I have a flight for this evening, but I'm trying to check into an earlier one, the same place. But the system's not working. I can't.
What did the ticket agent got to tell you?
Well, I told him. I tried to tell him.
So you don't have a ticket?
I have a ticket, but it's for a later time.
Okay.
And I wanted to get onto it earlier when I'm trying to change it, because won't let me change it.
Yeah. So you tried to get on a plane?
Yeah.
Okay. You got to have a ticket for that flight, though, right? That's my understanding. Okay. Why he wouldn't help you? Okay. Let me see what your phone's not working. What's it saying? This is your ticket? This is your current ticket?
My current ticket.
Oh, you canceled it. Okay. Yeah, I'm not.
Trying to go into this one.
Yeah, this is probably already booked, but you got to go through them. You can't do it on the app.
It's not canceled. It's right here.
Oh, you still have it. Okay. What
Just
time?
trying to change it to an earlier.
Okay. Because they have flights all day, you know.
You're not allowed to go right now.
Yeah, just sit down.
Okay,
We're
you
trying to
sit
work.
down.
We're trying to work this out.
You're not allowed to leave.
We don't know what happened. They said you tried to get on a plane. You didn't have a ticket. Is that a big deal? It can be, but we don't want it to be. So just relax. You're not in trouble. We got to figure out what we're going to do, though, right? And up to us, up to the airport. We're just cops that work at the airport, okay? Work with us a little bit, though. A little bit of cooperation will go a long way, okay?
If you're able to tell us exactly what's going on and help us help you, okay?
Well, she said she wanted to get on an earlier flight, but there was some issues with booking, and
Yeah, but
he
you
wasn't
can't just jump on a flight.
right. You just can't open the door and run on the plane, because that would be bad. That's like trespassing, you know.
So, do you have any identification on
All I
you?
wanted to do was change my flight from. It's the same flight,
Yeah.
same place.
Same
But I'm
place.
changing it from a later time to an earlier time, but the system is not letting me do it.
Okay. So then that probably means you're not able to do that, which means you're not going to be able to fly early.
Yeah, you couldn't get on this
What's
flight.
wrong with the system?
Yeah, you couldn't get on this flight because it's probably already booked, and
In full.
you didn't have the boarding pass for this flight. So that would have been. That's okay because they can redo it. They can redo it right here and assist you with that.
I would like to go on this flight.
But that one's already done. That one's gone.
It's
You know.
full. There's no room for you.
Yeah, it's already loaded up.
Which is probably why he didn't get
Right.
you on that.
Yeah.
Excuse me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Why still hasn't taken off? Is it too late?
So
The agent wasn't here. It's probably too late. What time were they already boarded?
They boarded, but my flight doesn't leave till 7:07.
Yeah, well, it's past. There's a cutoff time, like 15 minutes cutoff time. So it's like at 6:58. So you're past the cutoff time. Somebody will be back here in a minute. If not, you can go up front and go talk to the ticket agent and rebook. I'm not sure. We got this other thing, but he was just here. He may be coming back in a minute. The American agent. Like I said, boarding ends 15 minutes before departure, so you kind of missed it because of the line of TSA. So you probably got to rebook. But just hang out, and somebody will be here in a second. If not, go back out, and go back to the ticket.
Can I have someone help me, please? Because they won't let me leave the airport.
Yeah.
They won't let me get on a flight. They won't let me leave. What are you doing?
what did you just try to do?
Get on the flight.
Okay, that you're not allowed to
But
be
you
on.
guys are not letting me change the flight and get on the flight. I just
She's got a question over here too, but it's something unrelated. What are we doing? Sergeant, look at the video. What's her name?
I don't know.
You got anything? She said she had a flight, a later flight. We couldn't get-
I've seen
You're not.
That's not an ID.
black or whatever.
You want to
No, sure, that's
come
not-
back
I'm
to
going
it.
to leave.
Jordan.
No, you're not.
You cannot do that.
Okay, let's
Here, he can now explain something.
yeah. Show them your ticket stuff.
Just no, I don't trust you. I don't trust any of
Okay,
you. Just
that's all right.
give me my bag.
We're
You're
being-
not leaving
This
right
is
now.
not your bag.
We're
This is
recording.
my bag. You need to let go.
You're not leaving.
I'm gonna call someone because this is not right.
Okay.
Passengers are advised not to leave baggage unattended at any time.
You don't have the information at all?
Control closely all
No,
personal
because I couldn't see her
belongings
ID.
and carry-on items.
Can you show him your ID, man?
Cooperation.
Would you want to show him your ID?
He's gonna maybe try to help you.
I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go to
First
primary.
up, what are you wanting done with her? Are you filing
Because
anything?
I mean, I guess
Because-
because I don't know her. She was trying to get on my aircraft, so that's what I'm thinking.
Are you allowing her to fly on another?
The person I don't know what's going on.
Did she pull the door, walk on a jet bridge? What happened?
I had the door open. I
Nice.
was finishing boarding,
Alright.
and I did my final boarding. She went down. I was like, "Man, your boarding pass." She didn't show me anything. She was like, "Oh, look at
Did
this."
she get on the jet bridge?
So I tell her, "Hey, what is your name?" So I looked the people that was missing. She was not in
I'm
there.
at A5.
And she said, I'm on the later flight. I want to get on this one. I was like, man, you cannot do that. I mean, you have to have a ticket for this flight. Then
There was some.
she sit down.
Okay.
She's in normal.
Okay.
And at some point
But then
she
she tried to
started.
force her way on.
Yeah, she went down. And
How
I
far-
grabbed her quick before
How far
she
down
did.
she get? No, you can just tell me.
Because I'm sitting with.
I'm on Charlie. We're gonna
Yeah,
cancel
mine's
this now.
on too,
We're gonna
yeah.
call this
So let
now.
me recreate it.
Okay, so-
basically she went down
Right
there,
here?
and I grabbed her really quick, like say,
Okay.
man, no, you cannot go,
Okay,
please.
and that was
she
it?
didn't resist or
And
anything.
sat down.
But I mean,
Okay. You
that
close the door.
that made me feel like that was not right.
So Brian says. Brian, the ticket agent.
Hispanic guy? His name Brian?
Brian Guerrero. He said she's sitting. The door's open. He's the last people that boarded. She said, "I'm trying to get on a flight." He said, "Sorry, man, you can't go." She sat down. He was dealing with something. She got up and tried to go, and she actually entered the jet bridge.
Yeah.
He said, "No, no, no." She made it like 3 or 4 steps in and pushed her back.
Where did he go?
He's right there. Oh, I got his information.
Oh, well, the videos, it looks like from the video,
She's not.
Jimbo's Fisher's kid's like the last one to get on.
Yeah.
He closes the door, and then it looks like he's probably making the final boarding call. Probably like a minute, he lets Jimbo's Fisher's kid on, shuts the door. Like a minute later, I assume he's making the last call. She starts walking up, and he opens the door, like inviting her in the door, and then he kind of stops her. And I'm assuming he's like, "I need a boarding pass," and she shows the phone, and I think he's pointing to the scanner.
Yeah.
And she scans, and something went wrong. So it looks like he pointed for her to sit, the door wide open. He pulled the manifest, and then she just, while he was screwing with the manifest, probably getting ready to give it to
Tried
the
to
captain.
walk on.
She tried to walk on, and he jumped in front of her and kind of struggled. She resisted a little bit because she put her hand like,
So were you at TPW or we're at BA 52? She's not cooperating. She won't give us her name. She called 911. She
I
gave
think
us-
she's got to go to jail.
Okay.
Yeah, she's got to go to jail.
Okay. No, she said she had one for a later flight today, but she wanted to get on this flight, and she tried to rebook. But we're almost at 10:15.
What was waiting on? What did he see?
Video's pretty conclusive that she tried to get on when he was busy. He thought she tried to scan, but didn't work. He started looking at manifest. She tried to run on the plane. He had to physically restrain her to get on. 37? Probably. We'll wait and see. He's going to make the call.
But she hasn't given her a name or
No,
anything?
she's refusing. She's kind of like not talking.
Try talking.
Right.
Good. We're going to go at her. She was very nice in the beginning.
She was trying to get up and go, but I told her she's.
Then she called 911, so
Okay.
Yeah.
we'll stand.
I told her she's not free to
They
go.
sent the call to us, so it
Passengers
doesn't kind
are
of make sense.
So we're trying to help you here. All right, you got yourself in a pickle. And if you want to talk to us, the pickle might be able to get better. If not, it's not going to get any better. So can we start with your ID, your phone, something?
not to leave baggage
I just would like to leave the airport.
Okay, you're not free to leave
Control closely
until we identify you to start
belongings
with.
and carry-on items. Thank you for your cooperation.
I know these officers or super officers have been super nice to you. All right. So let's start with producing
But
some.
my thing is, why are you not allowing me to leave? Or I can't go on the flight. I can't leave. I can't do anything.
You're not free to go
Why am I not free to go? What did I do
because you're
wrong?
being detained right now
Why would I be detained?
because you went through that door without permission.
I'm just trying to get on a flight, an earlier flight. The system is not working. So I asked him. He wouldn't help me.
Let's see your boarding pass
so I'm
on
trying
your
to go
phone.
on there. And I'm not going to give that to you because I do not trust you.
Okay.
I would like to leave, and you're not letting me leave. That seems very illegal to me. And you're cops. You shouldn't be doing this. You cannot hold a person against their will. You can't tell them they can't do. It's like you're just trying to trap me or something. What are you trying to do?
Well, I'll back off you a little bit, but no, we need to identify you with the driver's license or some type of
If
ID
you're
card,
trying
passport.
to de-escalate a situation, and I'm telling you, I'm just gonna leave and I'll find my own way, a different way, because I don't know what's going on in this airport. I've been here before. I had a suitcase here, and some things happened here, and I do not trust the airport. But I tried again, and it's another thing. So I just would like to leave, and I don't want to deal with this anymore. And everything that you guys are doing right now, it just
You understand
It does
the
not-
reason you're
it's
not
very
allowed to
wrong.
leave is because you committed what's called a crime. When you tried to force
I just
your way
tried
onto
to
that
go on a
No,
flight.
ma'am. And yes,
I have a ticket.
You tried to do
The
something
system is
that you're
not
not
letting
allowed
me
to
go
do
on the flight.
because it's not for this flight.
Okay, but I have a ticket. I said I was.
You said you had a ticket. You've not shown that to anyone.
Look, I watched the video. What did the gentleman tell you when you were getting ready to get on? Then he stopped you, and then you had to scan your phone. He looked at your phone, and then he said no. What did he tell you? Stand up now.
No.
Ma'am, you're going to be under arrest.
All right, look at the purse.
No.
You gotta pull it up for that.
You got it? All right. Bring that one around. Let's go on to the back.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's what the-
Sit down. We're good.
You can hold on to it. That's fine.
No. Stop.
Let's just take it
Give me my
off.
property. Do not do that. Do not do that.
Stop. Let's go.
Why are you arresting me just for going on a flight or trying to
We
go
tried
on
to
a
explain it to
Let
you,
go.
Come on, stand up. We
Take the
can
cuffs
walk.
off.
Come
I
on.
didn't do
Stand up.
anything
Well, let's go
wrong.
walk over
Well,
here.
let's get out of here.
No.
Yeah, we gotta go. Come on.
Yeah, I'll get a chair.
All right, no, we don't need a chair. She's gonna walk. Come
You're
on.
gonna walk?
I got your purse. You gotta explain yourself. We don't understand what you're saying.
But I'm sure her purse is in there for ID.
Can I hold my bag?
We're just gonna go with you.
Did you unhook those things, or
Yeah, she's here.
here, let me hold this while you sit there.
We'll give her back to you.
You got to sit down.
We're gonna give her back to you.
Good. All right, I'll tell Mike you're transporting if you switch it over.
Let's examine the constitutional framework. Under Terry versus Ohio, police may conduct brief investigatory stops based on reasonable, articulable suspicion of criminal activity. Here, the airline agent's report of unauthorized jetway access provided that reasonable suspicion, making the detention lawful. The critical legal question: does Florida law require identification during a Terry stop? In Hybel versus 6th Judicial District Court, the Supreme Court held that states may require suspects to identify themselves. While Florida lacks a universal stop and identify statute, refusal can constitute obstruction of a lawful investigation. The passenger's repeated refusal to provide identification eliminated officers' ability to quickly resolve the matter. Under Rodriguez versus United States, a Terry stop must last only as long as necessary to confirm or dispel suspicion. The passenger's noncompliance extended what could have been a brief encounter. Florida Statute 810.09 subsection 2(e) specifically addresses trespass in operational areas of airports. An operational area includes jetways, ramps, and aircraft parking areas where public access is prohibited by fences or signs. Trespass with intent to impede aircraft operations is a third-degree felony, punishable by up to 5 years imprisonment. The statute requires adequate notice through posted signage or actual communication to the offender. Officers employed a progressive use of force model. Verbal commands, de-escalation attempts, then control holds. Under Graham versus Connor, force must be objectively reasonable from the perspective of an officer on the scene. The court emphasized that officers must make split-second decisions in tense, uncertain, and rapidly evolving situations. The control holds and handcuffing used here, without strikes or impact weapons, meet that standard. The officers made sustained de-escalation efforts, explaining the situation multiple times. They positioned themselves at eye level, used calm tones, and framed themselves as helpers rather than adversaries. These techniques reflect modern law enforcement training in crisis intervention. However, the 11-minute duration from initial contact to arrest suggests opportunity for improvement. Earlier supervisor intervention or clearer articulation of arrest consequences might have shortened the encounter. From the passenger's perspective, she believed the airline system failure justified her frustration. Her past negative experience at the airport contributed to her distrust of both airline staff and police. However, perception of injustice does not supersede the legal requirement to comply with lawful detention. This incident highlights the complex regulatory environment where federal TSA oversight meets state criminal law. When passengers bypass boarding procedures, even innocently, it triggers mandatory security protocols. Zero-tolerance policies exist because unauthorized aircraft access poses catastrophic safety risks. Evaluating the parties, airport police officers receive a grade of B+. They demonstrated constitutional compliance, professional de-escalation, and appropriate force, with minor timing inefficiencies. The passenger receives a grade of D for sustained non-compliance. While her initial frustration was understandable, refusing identification and lawful orders directly caused her arrest. Cooperation would have likely resulted in a warning or minor citation at most. The Tallahassee Airport Police Department receives a B for solid training and appropriate policies. Body camera usage, coordinated response, and constitutional awareness were all evident. Key lessons. For passengers, airport security zones have zero tolerance. Boarding procedures must be followed precisely. Frustration with airline systems does not justify bypassing controls. If detained by police, providing identification during a lawful stop facilitates quicker resolution. Cooperation, even when believing detention is unjustified, is the safest approach. For law enforcement, sustained de-escalation is crucial, but recognizing when efforts have reached their limit prevents prolonged volatile encounters. Clear articulation of consequences before arrest gives subjects informed choice and strengthens legal defensibility. For policymakers, improved airline customer service systems and clearer communication about boarding procedures could prevent security frustration conflicts that transform civil issues into criminal cases. This case ultimately demonstrates that constitutional law, officer training, and subject cooperation must all align to produce positive outcomes in high-security environments. When any element fails, minor incidents can escalate into serious criminal charges. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for even more content.